Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking stuffed chicken thighs. I'm going to stuff these chicken thighs with spinach and feta cheese and some creamy cheese. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to debone my chicken thighs, remove the bone. So this is quite easy. You just use a sharp knife. So using a sharp knife, I'm going to remove the bone. So what I find is it's cheaper to buy the chicken with the bone, and if you can just do it yourself, you can just remove the bone. Otherwise, you are very much free to buy the deboned chicken thigh. This is just, for me, this is just how it's a way of budgeting, but you can very much buy the one that is already deboned. So that is ready to go, deboned. And then I'm going to remove this one also. So you just sort of debone the chickens as you go, and once they're all deboned, I'm going to make my stuffing. So this is going to be quite a delicious meal. So guys, here is 5 chicken thighs deboned, and I'm going to make my stuffing. Alright guys, I'm going to put some spinach, then a little bit of creamy cheese, and some feta cheese. Just put it like that and fold it. So that's how I'll hold my chicken breast, like that. And then I'll just do another one. The chicken, and then spinach, and then creamy cheese, and some feta cheese. Guys, this is how my stuffed chicken looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to season my chicken, the outside. So salt, season with salt, black pepper. Just season thoroughly your chicken so that it's also has good flavors and that creaminess also. Alright, all-purpose seasoning. All-purpose seasoning, and now it's time to cook this. So I have preheated my oven, but now I'm going to just brown this chicken in a pan, hot pan. So just add some oil. So in a hot pan, I'm going to place my chicken gently when the oil is hot. So just make sure the oil is nice and hot. I'm going to place the chicken. Alright, I'm cooking for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. in the oven. Guys, just trying to place it. Guys, look at the chicken in the oven, 200 degrees in the oven, and this is how I'm looking for a nice crispy skin, and it's almost ready.